Best approach is these are the things. Why do we need a plan? Who are our stakeholders? How large is the scope? What is the budget? Because everything depends on the budget, right?
Yes.
The money. How much is the money that we have? How will the strategy benefit the stakeholders? How does the strategy align with the larger organizational strategy, if appropriate? And do we have a leadership support or not? So leadership support is very important for any strategy to get successful, correct? But the most important factors are, what is your budget? How much you want to spend? The more you gonna spend, the more effective you can be. No, it's not always 100% correct. You need to understand what will the employee cares about the most. You can reach the same strategy maybe with a lower budget if you understand how to attract the customers. If they know that with a KFC chicken wing they will be happy, then why you need to give them a pizza, right? Pizza is more expensive.
Yes.
Or if they are happy with the Auntie Annie's ice cream, why you need to give them the Swensen ice cream, correct? So you need to understand what they actually need, and then you provide them the benefits. Not think from your perspective, think from the employee perspective or audience perspective. If in subgroups, what if any need different messages? Maybe the employees may have within their groups, finance department, all the level, all the clerks, all the peons, maybe they are subgroups, right? Ladies, do they need different messages? Gents, do they need different messages? Particular departments, do they need different messages? So what are those messages? And then what topics will need plain English translation? Sometimes you use the language which is very difficult, even in English.
Yes.
So what type of, because then you need to understand, does your employees understand English or not? Or what is the level of their English? So you may need to convert the message into plain English or into a local language which they are comfortable. Even in now we are in Myanmar, even in Myanmar you have different languages, right?
Yes.
West side has different language, east side has different language, south side has a different language. So if you just only converse in Burmese, it doesn't mean everybody will understand it, right? You need to convert into their own native languages so that they understand it clearly. What part of strategy we are providing in the languages other than English, which is more important for you to understand or for them to understand, right? What existing communication channels can provide you the greatest reach? Maybe internal memos if people are reading it, notice boards if people are reading it, or briefings if people are using it. So what internal communication channels that you can use, and what do you need to develop? Do you need to develop anything new? Maybe the existing ones are not working, so you may need to find a new channel. How you can talk? Maybe do a seminar. I don't know, maybe seminar people are not interested, or you may not be able to gather all of them at one time. When we do in the hotels, any special like state of art or hotel address, this is something we learn. When you ask for employees, let's say annual staff party, when you go for annual staff party, do you want to know about the budget and the budget for next year and the past year performance, or you want to know only the food? Only the food, right? Or only the bonus, or only the how much salary increment you will get next year, correct? So that is the time when if the management starts presenting the budget for next year, what will happen? It's boring, right? They will sleep. So this is what we experience when we did the first time our annual staff party, and we were very excited. All the management was very excited. We make like 20-page presentation, and when we started presenting, I can see everybody is sleeping and looking at when it will finish, when the food will start. They are talking about it. And then once we finish the presentation, because we didn't declare the bonus or anything else, they say, what about the bonus? What about the increment that we're gonna get next year? They are interested only in that. They are not interested in what budget I am presenting. They don't care. or they don't care about what we have done in the past. Twitter, we explain to them whole year what we have done, sales strategy, not interested. They don't want to know anything. So next year we change the strategy. We say that if you want to get the increments, this is what we need to achieve. So then people listen, we want to get an increment, right? So their attention is already there.
Yeah.
So what is their bonus going to be? So we presented only 2-3 slides, not too much, because we don't want them to remember the website, any information. Previously we use figures all around the 20 million, 30 million, 50 million, even in thousands. But now we ignore the numbers. We just say, okay, did we achieve our target or not? That's it. Yes or no. We don't want to tell them how far we were or what we need to do. No. We just tell them we achieved or we didn't achieve. We achieved this year bonus is going to be this much. So they are happier. And it takes them to understand, yes, what we need to do in the future. And we need to tell them in the plain English. We don't want to tell them the strategy that, we are going to attract, let's say in the hotel, we are going to arrange the fam trips. They are not interested to know that. They want to know what they need to do. They don't want to understand what hotel is going to do. What do you expect from the employees? Because you are talking to employees, right? So whatever hotel strategy you want to inform them, they are not interested. They want to understand what they need to do. So you need to tell them what you need to do and choose your channels properly. Staff parties, annual staff parties, they are not the place for your serious discussions, right? They are place for fun. So you need to give them the fun activities, not the boring presentations, correct? So sometimes you have potential deal breakers, right?